This is our robot, and this is our hand glove, mechanical hand glove. And now we are starting from this point. This is our first hurdle. I am making it forward. Now I am making it left. Now I'm going forward with some hurdles in it.
इधर रह तुम।
It's going forward. Now I am making it to move on in inclination. It can withstand any angle of inclination.
Zoom होता है?
No. It's going forward. Now in our bot we have a technique that we can make it move 360 degrees angle. And we can also make it move other anti-clockwise and clockwise both. Other type of movement is that we can make it any type of movement like 80 degree, 90 degree. So this is our final concept. Thank you very much. Thank you.